Gurukul Yatra Episode 2 is about the driving force, the character, and the belief system of Gurukul Academy. Gurukul Academy has good strength of students. The students' overall performance in 10th and 12th board exams is very good. Students do equally good in co-curricular activities and in sports. Every year, a good number of students get selected in various professional colleges, in army, in navy, in air force, in railways, in airlines, and in many other sectors. It is a wonderful experience to be in Gurukul Academy. The students are well behaved, highly disciplined, and have got good impressive personality. On getting deeper to find the reasons of such a nice school, one finds there are three very important factors that have shaped the school in such a brilliant way. They are: first, the belief statement of Gurukul Academy. It is courage leads to success and success begets success. It is a great belief system of Gurukul Academy. As we all know, courage allows us to overcome our personal limitations in order to pursue a fuller life. Being courageous in this context helps us to maximize our chances of growing and evolving throughout life to become the best version of ourselves that we can be. Thus, courage ultimately leads to success. Success, once tasted by an individual, makes him strive hard for it in his entire task again. The second important factor in the making of Gurukul Academy a great institution is the driving force of Gurukul Academy. The three words that drive the spirits of Gurukul Academy are courage, commitment, and perseverance. How courage influences our life is already talked about. Here, it is better to talk about the remaining two words of driving force. They are commitment and perseverance, one by one. Commitment is the foundation of great accomplishment. We all intuitively understand that to achieve greatness, we must deeply invest in ourselves and take the action of committing to things that are important to us. In this way, our commitment shapes our life. Committed people have good self-concept, strong self-esteem, and a good balance between what they want and what they are capable of. The same way, perseverance has also played a decisive role in shaping up Gurukul Academy as a great institution. Research indicates perseverance helps to improve skills, talents, and resourcefulness, as well as builds other strong characters and strengths. Persistent people are often seen as people who follow through on commitments. This contributes building trust. Finally, the third and the last factor that has greatly contributed in making Gurukul Academy a true educational institution is the character of Gurukul Academy. The three words that constitute and build the character of Gurukul Academy are truth, valor, and service. Truth matters to both to a person as an individual and to the society as a whole. As an individual, being truthful means that we can grow and mature, learn from our mistakes. For society, truthfulness makes meaningful and productive social bonds. If you talk about service for Gurukul Academy, service is a personal as well as an institutional commitment for a promise and a cause. It is about doing the best that an institution or a person can do. Service rendered selflessly results in oneness. It brings hope and life. When peace and harmony becomes the main cause of every kind of service rendered to the nation and its people, it becomes service to the God. These ideas and concepts adopted in the beliefs statement, in the driving force, in the character of Gurukul Academy tell a lot about making of a great institution. They have deeply impacted and influenced the overall human ambience of the school and its culture. It is a kind of divinity which has touched all the stakeholders of the school, be they the students, the parents, or the teachers. If you talk about the students, they are well behaved, obedient, smart, enthusiastic, impressive, resourceful, very hardworking, and sincere. They are curious to know and to learn more. They are eager to do something new and better. They are true fighters and fight to overcome their weaker areas. They have better comprehension, great sense of responsibility, and ability to stretch beyond limits to meet the goals. They are very brave and determined. They truly possess indomitable character, impossible to defeat or frighten even in a difficult situation. The same with the parents. They have huge trust and faith in Gurukul Academy and have great regards for its teachers. They have great sense of thankfulness for the teachers and the school. They are also keen observers, good listeners, great solution providers, and always willing to find every kind of help that the school needs. They are great role models for their children and lead them from the front. They enjoy good parent-child relations and spend quality time with their children. Finally, about the important pillars of Gurukul Academy, that is the teachers. They are the foundation stone of Gurukul Academy. Courage, commitment, and perseverance are in their blood. This is the reason the teachers of Gurukul Academy are called Gurukul warriors. Love, care, and respect are their Guru mantras. And like great master trainers, they are at their work. They have great trust in their students and understand their concerns and are always committed to bring the best from their students. Thus we see Gurukul Academy has come up in the region as a great hope for the people around. Thanks to the founders of Gurukul Academy for their great courage, commitment, and perseverance in making Gurukul Academy a great institution that can serve the humanity better. We pray the Almighty that the glorious journey of Gurukul Academy continues the way it has continued so far, and it keeps on touching the lives of people around for generations to come. And with this, we dedicate this beautiful song to Gurukul Academy. जगत भर की रोशनी के लिए, करोड़ों की जिंदगी के लिए, सूरज रे जलते रहना, सूरज रे जलते रहना।
जगत भर की रोशनी के लिए, करोड़ों की जिंदगी के लिए, सूरज रे जलते रहना, सूरज रे जलते रहना। जगत भर की रोशनी के लिए, करोड़ों की जिंदगी के लिए। सूरज रे जलते रहना, सूरज रे